Hi everybody, it's Diana back with another Tuesday's Teach Me Tuesday video. And I showed my face last week, so I thought I would do it again this week and get used to doing that. And so there it is. So what I'm going to show you today is the fun foam adhesive sheets. And what better than cookies? And let's see, what else do I have here? Chocolate. These are really good, except they took my husband's filling out. So they are caramels. So what better way to have like goodies and yummies, but to put them in a cute little package and give them to somebody. So that's what I'm gonna do today in our video. So let me flip you over so we can get started. All right, so flip, I gotta turn the thing. I made a little thing on my doohickey so that I would remember which one to turn over, which one to adjust rather. Come on, there we go. All right, so let's see. Hopefully you can all see me in there. I am going to quickly go over to our group, make sure that that you could see me, so that I would remember which. Make that be no talking computer. I forgot to do that. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we have these new foam adhesive sheets that are in the new catalog, and this is a pack of them. So you get quite a few in the package. And hold on a second. I want to make sure I can see the comments, so I have to click. Okay. Hey, Jackie. Yes, I need to just start showing the old face. I'm hoping next week I'll actually have a haircut, though, so I won't look so scraggly. All right, so back to the fun foam adhesive sheets. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the package. They are like 4.5 by 4 1/4. Going by my memory dimensions, 4 9/16 by 4 3/8 inches, and they are basically like a big square dimensional is what they are, but they are super fun to play with. So what we're gonna do is, now what I'm using today to show you is the Love You More dies and the Nothing's Better Than stamp set. So that's what I'm going to be using because it's perfect for this. Chocolate, cookies that I mentioned, but it's also got coffee and cocktails and just other fun things. So it has that matching die. So that's what I'm going to be using today. All right, so what you want to do, and I have already like cut this one down ahead of time to do one, but whatever color cardstock you want, just lay your little die on it, and then that just kind of gives you that the size that you know the cardstock that you're going to need. And then, you know, just give it a cut, and then just, you know, lay your cardstock on the sheet and do the same thing. So just cut that out, and it's thick, so you're just going to cut that out. All right, so now I have my two pieces, and then you're just going to peel off the backing. Make sure you can see, and this is when I'm always like, stop sticking to me, stop sticking to me. And then you're going to lay your cardstock on top of it. Then you're just going to take your die and you're going to go run it through the machine. So zip, 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 run it through the machine. And what happens is this squishes down and it cuts your picture. So pretend I ran that through. Okay, so this one is the cookie one. Just to speed up the video, I did it ahead of time. And then I found, because I did a ton of these, like over 30 of these, and so I was like learning like little tips and stuff as I was doing them. So what you want to do, after you have it all already done, you may have to put a little piece of paper, a little piece of cardstock underneath here and run it through as well. If you need it to squish just a little bit more, every machine is a little different, but you do want it to cut through the backing. So if you flip it over and you see that it has not quite cut through the backing and you can see it, then you can run it through again, and this time just add a piece of cardstock just underneath this area. Squish it just a tad bit more, but like I said, you might not need to, just depending on your machine. Okay, so then what you do is you just start to kind of peel or bend. So I take my piece and I pay attention to what's happening in the die. So I want to make sure that my pieces are staying in the die. Okay, so you can see all my little pieces are staying. And then if you have to kind of help it along, so see, now it starts to peel itself away from this. So this is your garbage now. And then you have your little guy inside the die. And then you take your little poker tool. I wish I could remember the name of it, but you take your little poker tool and you just start picking your pieces out. Now, yesterday, or when I was doing all these the last couple days, I didn't have my nails all freshly painted, so I was actually, so I sent a picture to my sister. I had all these little pieces all over my nail, but I don't want to do that today, so I'm just going to stick it to this piece right here. But they did love to stick to the nail polish for sure. So you just pick out all your little pieces, and if you thought you had dimensional backings all over the house, let me tell you, I think I slept with a couple of these little pieces last night. But it doesn't take very long, and like I said, once you get doing a few, it goes really fast. And I just had the TV on. And get that out of there. Alright. So then, what we do is we move it over. Where's my little piece? Oh, did I fill them all up? I did fill them all up. Diana, you goofball. Hold on a minute. This is live, people. It's live. Alright, I'm just going to use this. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on here because I can fill this thing up too with cookies. Do I want it on here? All right, so I can fill up my little rectangle tin with cookies. So now I'm going to take my little name and I'm going to put that on there, and then just take your little poker tool. And then I kind of lay it flat. I don't really want to jab into the letter because I do want to, you know, not poke a hole in them. So just kind of lay it on its side, and you're just going to kind of push the letter just a little bit. And what you're doing is you're releasing it from the die. And then you're just going to peel it. So can you see that? I'm just peeling, but again, I'm making sure to pay attention, you know, that you haven't lost any of your little doohickeys. And then, so this little guy, he wanted to stay in there. So then I just pick him out with the jobby. So I should have poked him before, but I didn't. Okay, so here is your cute little cookies all ready to go. And see, it sticks out everywhere. So it's super fun. Okay, so let me show you what I was playing with when I was doing these two. So not only does this one say cookies, but if you look at the letters, you can make other words. So let's pretend your friend has just gone to culinary school, right? So your friend just went to culinary school, And you're going to give her an apron and what else would you get when you go to culinary school? An apron, a spatula, I don't know, just a bunch of cook stuff. And you're going to give them a present that says, congratulations on graduating. So now look what it says. Cook and be awesome. Isn't that fun? So all I did was I just cut away, you know, so I didn't do the E's. But it's really fun. Okay, so that's a different idea that you could do for the words. All right, so let's see my little cookies. So here's my little, so this also uses the stamp set. So we have our today's plan, consume cookies. So I'm gonna stick that on there too. And I got this cute idea to cover the little cookies things from Brenda Nelson. So this is where I got the idea to put a little tag on the cookies. And you could like decorate, you know, put some ribbon behind it and make it all fun. So there's, you could with the cookies. Here's, you know, another way to do the cookies. This one, I let, you could cut off that loop. Oh yes, it would. It would say cool. Good idea. Yeah, if you did. If you cut off this loop, then it would say cool. Smart, Jackie. Okay, so this one, I took the little eye out of, so see how I left the eye, the polka dot eye, the dot of the eye. This time I took it out and I put a gem for the cookies. All right, so just pretend I've decorated that. All right, so now we have chocolate. You make everything better. So again, and I just did a bunch of circles, so you could do any shape you wanted. And then I just stuck them to the scallop circle. So super, super fun. Chocolate, you make everything better. But after I did, I thought, ooh, what would make it even better? What happened if I actually had, it looked like it was dipped in chocolate? So what I did was, here's my little leftover piece, so you can get an idea what I did. So I just kind of cut wiggly, 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 glued it onto the red really good. You want to make sure you glue it really good onto the red. Then I ran it through just like I did before. And then when I peeled it out, look at it, looks like there's chocolate on the top of the letters. And then again, I'm going to glue it to my circle. And this uses the candies, the chocolate candies, which I thought were perfect because it goes with that red. So this would be great for Valentine's. What else? Okay, Jackie. Oh, and Kim. Jackie's saying with chocolate you have late and cola. Yes. So see, there's like so many different words. So same thing. You've got coffee and cookies and cocktails and chocolate. So there's just so many different words that you can use. There's one that sticks right out that I'm not going to mention, but we'll just keep it PG. And then, so look how the chocolate is, look like it goes on to that. So then what I would do is I would take my Reese's, and you could even put some, oh, what is that? That tear paper, you know, that crinkly tear paper. You could totally, you know, put that in the bag too. I'm just gonna go quick for the video. And this is just the little envelopes that we put our cards in. Doesn't mean you can't put candy in them. Alrighty. Then I'm going to put some adhesive on the back. I love the Stampin' seal. Then I'm gonna take, now this is the ribbon that has a 2-pack. Hang on, let me get it for you. All right, so this is the All the Trimmings ribbon and combo pack. So it has the Poppy Parade, is it? Yeah, Poppy Parade and Old Olive. But I'm using it with the real red. So we are just going to take, can you see? Okay, so I'm just going to take this ribbon And then I'm gonna kind of make my finger go like this. And I'm gonna snag it from the back. And I'm gonna bend it again. And then I'm gonna snag it again from the back here. Hey, Vicky. All right, so then I'm gonna cut my little tails. And then I'm gonna stick this on here. So you can use just regular dimensionals if you wanted. The thing is about these big doohickeys, these right here, if you do cut your pieces, you might have some left over, and then you can use them, see, like here. So I had some left over. So these are like strips that I have left over from when I cut the letters. So you definitely don't want to throw them away, because basically what it is it's a dimensional. So now you're just going to take that. So you're not going to waste anything. When you are done with this pack of paper, just like you are with dimensionals, you will have nothing left on that piece of paper. And then you just peel these off. And then this is going to go. Now this would look cute if I'd have put some paper, like the sprinkly paper. And that's just going to go on there. And look how cute. Look how stinking cute that is. So let's see, did I show you all? I think I did show you all the little ones that I had messed with. So the chocolate, you make everything better. Chocolate cook and be awesome. You also came up with some really cute ideas. This, I will put some cookies in the little rectangle tin, which will be really, really cute. So there you go. There you have it. That is these fun new little adhesive sheets. You gotta love them. Gotta go get you some. Me, I'm gonna say see ya, and I'm gonna go eat some chocolate. I don't have to fight Jeff over it because he doesn't want the caramels anymore. All right, so I'm gonna say see you later. Let's see, September's hostess coat. I always have to bring that up, right? But there you go, I did. But I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and hopefully you will look at this stamp set a little different. Look at your adhesive sheets, and let me see what you do with them. They're super fun. All right, I'll say see you later for now, and have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye.